Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of the Libre Office or Open Office suite of software, but Libre Office particularly here, do update your Libre Office software because a couple of weeks ago we talked about a very big security flaw, which was a zero-day exploited in the wild from a file format called Webp, which is a picture format. That is an open source picture format. Now, that affects everything that can open Webp images. And LibreOffice can import and open Webp images. That means it puts that software at risk also. LibreOffice has issued an update, so check for the latest version. Make sure you have the latest LibreOffice version installed so that you stay safe on the software and on the fact that if you ever come across, Webp images are not that frequent in standard use, but they are getting more and more popular. And you might stumble across a web page and some places that have some. And so this means that, if you don't want to risk it, if you have a Webp image that maybe you downloaded somewhere, you never know. If it's a malformed image, it could infect your machine because it could create the perfect circumstances for that. So LibreOffice has been updated to fix the flaw, so that you can't get infected if you download a infected image. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And the link to the LibreOffice page is in the description below if you want to download it from scratch here.